Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. To be continued. Mandarin. Of course, you can peel them and just eat them. But what else can you do with them in cooking? Mandarins are the life of the party in salads. They pair beautifully with seared chicken breast, smoked halibut, and beef or chicken liver. A personal favorite is a Pan-Asian style salad with rice, mandarins, and warm baked salmon dressed in a ginger sesame dressing.
And when it comes to baking, Mandarin's best friends are chocolate and cottage cheese. Try making cottage cheese pies, cheesecakes, muffins, and chocolate brownie.
Don't be afraid to add spices. Mandarin absolutely love that. All kinds of nuts work wonderfully in Mandarin baked goods too. Mandarins are a symbol of festive winter dishes. The fruit is great for stuffing poultry of any kind and making chicken breasts with mandarins and rosemary. And of course, dessert. Mandarins are a wonderful addition to custard cream, salted caramel sauce, jellies, or panna cotta. Mandarins poached in champagne with star anise and cardamom are an absolute showstopper on any dessert table. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay with us and subscribe to our channel. It's going to be interesting and most importantly, useful.